So growing up, I saw a lot of 1-800-Flower commercials, and I've always been intrigued in trying it out. But there's really bad reviews. Like, there's whole hashtags on Instagram about people's expectations versus their reality of what they're getting. So my mom's birthday was in August, and I wanted to get her like an animal shaped floral arrangement, and for some reason I couldn't find any floral shops near me that were able to create them or wanted to create them. Therefore, I decided to go to Etsy, and I found a really cute Etsy shop that does these creations. Etsy never lets me down. So these are fake flowers, but it's so cute. This is an Etsy shop called DaisyMaefloral. She has a bunch of different floral arrangements, some of them animal shaped, a lot of them just normal ones, and she does care packages and baskets, and it's just adorable. So this is a unicorn. It's a pink unicorn with pink flowers. And the little bucket is also personalized. It says Nancy, which is my mom's name, and it's just so cute. Like, I think it's perfect, and it looks exactly like the 1-800 ships out to you. They can do dogs, unicorns, stuff like that. So I got it on a whim. It arrived super quickly. There is an option for faster shipping, which would have been $50, but I didn't go with that because that's almost the exact same cost as the actual bouquet. And it did arrive in time, so it arrived in like 4 or 5 days. So it arrived in time for my mom's birthday, and I was thrilled. She loved it. It's super duper cute. I think it's very special, and the fact that it's like artificial flowers, I think it helps in terms of like longevity. Oh my god, there's a cat that ran across the room. That scared me. I had a weird incident with a bug this morning that freaked me out, so now I'm a little bit jumpy. But yes, this is beautiful. It arrived nicely packaged and well protected. I think if you put it in a safe, cool place, it'll be nice. Like, it won't collect too much dust, and I think it'll hold up. I think I'll definitely be giving updates on how it holds up in the comment section or in the description box of this video. It's gorgeous. I think it's just so cute. It looks, the farther away the better. When I first showed this to my dad, he couldn't tell it was a unicorn. Like, his eyes couldn't tell what it was looking at, but I feel like it's pretty distinct. Like, you can clearly see a unicorn head there. There's also a cat version, a dog version. I'm obsessed. I might buy one of these for myself. I like that it has that personal touch. I think that's really cute. And yeah, it just makes sense to me. Like, it's just a cute gift for someone, especially if you ship it to them, because that's also an option to ship it directly to them. So I was pleasantly surprised. I am excited to have this, and I think one day I will try the 1-800-Flowers option. I think that would be a very cool experiment to see like expectations versus reality, whether it's gonna look nice or not. Fun fact, I'm actually not a really big fan of florals in terms of like getting them as a gift, but I've always been intrigued by 1-800-Flowers' large selection of items. So we're definitely gonna do that. That's gonna be a future video, maybe for like November. We'll try that out and see how that works and film it from start to finish. I think that'll be really interesting. But yeah, if you're looking for any like faux flower arrangements from Etsy, definitely worth a shot. There's other kinds as well with like different buckets and stuff, and you don't have to get it personalized, but it's just beautiful. And they ask like what color accents you want, which I think is nice. I kind of wanted to go for a deeper purple. I should have, but I just wasn't sure how it was going to look. But yeah, that's it for this review. I'll have this shop down below. I did pay for this with my own money, in case I didn't mention that. This is not sponsored, nor am I affiliated with this company. So I'm just happy to have a cute little unicorn. And it's funny that I say that because this is not mine, this is my mom's. I just took it back for the filming of this video. But yeah, I think it's really cute. I'm obsessed. It's adorable. She's keeping it here because right now the kitchen is so humid that it kind of things get greasy. Is that weird? I don't know. Maybe that's just this house. It's very old and there's not much ventilation right now because of the heat. But yes, if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. If you have any recommendations or things you want me to check out on Etsy, let me know. And if you have any requests for future videos, I would love to hear it. And until next time, stay safe out there. Bye.